Alright, so here, this is day 9 of Vlogmas. With me here again.
It's the same day.
With me here.
Listen, he went home and changed and then come and do the video. And I'm in my same clothes. I look like I never bathed. It's a different day.
People wouldn't go and believe me. It's a different day, okay? It's a legit different day. Really? Look, look at me here, I'll grow more. It's a different day.
It is Sunday.
But anyway, we're going to well, we're there at Mega Mart now, and we look for the star because we never get the star at Azans and what else. You look for nothing?
I'm hungry.
But yeah, I want food to come.
I'm just gonna walk around and see what we can get in the supermarket. But it's the same day.
Alright, peace out. Yeah, I'm get it good this time. Also, there we are look around now on a completely different day. Oh, okay.
It's the same day.
Are you own our clothes? Nothing wrong if you wear, you repeat it, yeah?
It's the same day.
Nothing is wrong if you're...
Anyways, we're here to look for stars. I found 2 stars.
Yes.
1 tree. So which one are you using? The red star or the gold star?
What do you say, people? Comment down below. Should we go with the... Now, them something a YouTuber say. Should we... Yeah, but me...
Comment where we're decorate the tree, right?
Yeah, but you just lie and tell them, say, well, the majority rule.
I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I love you guys too much.
Say hi to the burritos, Rochelle.
Hi, burrito.
Alright, so which one do you think will work best? Based on the things that you pick out for the tree. Remember the decoration, which you think?
Know about both. Alright, let's go.
Let's go ready, yeah, because ready is Christmas. Mega Man, change up though. Check out my new leg.
New leg.
Yeah. Oh, and beholding, born the King of Angels. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, kick like Dalton. Let us adore him in Christ. The same clothes.
You remember me?
I don't remember myself. Where should I remember you from? The man who did beg me the $2,000 at the time. Yeah. Yes, man, I remember, man. The brother who beg me the $2,000 at the time. I'm gonna tell him a call, you could have given you 1,500. I remember you, man. We there got this one function I keep up for Ronnie Williams, man.
Don't listen to it.
And them saying forget him wallet, man. I'm gonna ask me for the $2,000. I'm gonna say 1,500 alone, man.
Not.
I lie here, people. I lie. I lie.
Don't listen to him.
How the Christmas I go for so far?
Wonderful, wonderful.
Okay, then you want to wish for Jamaica for going into 2019?
That the killing and the murder and all that stuff, we need it to stop. Especially for the kids them and all.
True that.
We need to get rid of all of that.
Alright.
And live peacefully.
How the Christmas food I go, the Christmas cooking I go, like what the thing where you look for the most in terms of the food?
I don't eat pork and all
Jesus.
that.
Alright.
So now deal with some chicken arm.
Yes.
And roast chicken.
Yes.
That me get.
Oh Jesus, yeah, what kind of drinks, man? The sorry and carrot juice.
No, I have top shelf liquor.
Oh Jesus, P money settings.
Yes, you know what I say.
Alright, I can't use make me the 2,000 again. Alright, bless up. Okay, so Rushlin was supposed to help me set up the Christmas tree, but she had to go out of town and the show must go on, so I get my virgin Kavan to come and assist me with this Christmas tree. Let's take a look.
Put up the old tree, that's okay, and you can get content now.
I keep on forgetting that I actually can do stuff.
Yo, like you legit.
But take out all the stuff them, just throw the whole of the stuff them so you see it on camera.
Pepper like this?
Oh yeah. Pepper lights are here too.
Man, come prepared.
I Rushlin now, she get the stuff them.
Box cover, what's going on, burritos? Today we're setting up a Christmas tree that we got on the last vlog. If you haven't seen the last vlog, check it out right now. So here it's Kavan, he's behind the camera. I'm going to bring him over now. If you know anybody that can exercise a house, please let me know below.
It's not exercise, that's what they call it? No, exorcism, oh yeah, oh.
Yeah, verb is exercise.
Oh, okay, that's why I shut up.
Yeah, so I'm here.
Wow, feel stupid.
I'm here at Kavan.
I'm about to try it. Ready?
Yeah.
Yo, what's up, Zoza Squad? Yo, and today, what are we gonna do? We're gonna be fixing this tree. Yes, it's a stupid tree. It's a green tree. We didn't do an orange tree. Who needs orange trees? This is orange. This is totally stupid, man. We're doing this green tree.
Box cover, very nice. Alright, so we're gonna get into the video now.
Yo, F you.
Alright, so just got this tree from Amazon. Azans, man. It came in 2 parts. Part 1, or 3 parts. Part 2, this heavy part, and the bass, part 3. So yeah, I don't know how this works. I see 2 kind of like, oh, okay, and it have a little screw. Okay. This what, so we got a bag of screws, literally a screw bag, and we're going to set it up like this, you get me? We're going to put the screws into the screw holes. And wait, hold on. I think.
Did that work?
Yeah, trying to get it in the hole.
Oh my gosh. You never got that lesson?
No, is that something like your parents teach you, like how to screw in things?
Yup.
No, my parents did not teach me that. Oh, this must be, okay, and you screw it in all the way when the tree is in. Keep it standing up. Oh. If you can't see what I'm doing, I'm screwing this little thing inside that bigger thing.
Wow.
Pretty sure Barry's just trying to find something wrong with anything I have to say.
Talk to the people them now.
Oh, alright, so now we're putting it on the stand. We're putting the screws, but they're not screwed all the way in. We're trying to wiggle it down into the base, and then we'll tighten the screws.
Last night binge watching, you don't want easy things to watch. Yeah. But I'm sure you've watched some stuff, I don't know. And they have a game where it's basically supposed to have a conversation by starting off the sentence with letters of the alphabet, so we're going in order. So if me says something start with A, you respond with me with B, and then C, and it will go down like that.
Alright, this all should be fun, yeah.
Alright, so let's go!
Alright, Bear, how was your day today? Boring. Come on, man, you must give me something better than that. How was your day today?
Dumplings.
Every time we try this, you give me a stupid dumpling answer.
F you. That is me, and that's why I'm going to play the game.
Great, I love this friggin' game. Ha! I hate that you're using friggin' syllables as words.
Just think about it. Be like one of the best vloggers, and you're talking of sometimes you have to just keep it simple.
Kavan is the best vlogger, just so you guys know. Kavan is the best vlogger, just so you guys know.
Like how Gully Bop is like the best musician of all time?
Me mama Claude. This year, this
Never, I would never do that.
Oh!
Put your money where your mouth is and do 2 push-ups.
Quite frankly, I'll do 3 push-ups.
Really?
Best vlogger.
Really? You just gonna show up like that?
Seriously, I can do anything I want to do.
To be or not to be? That is the question.
Understandable that Bear is having a hard time.
Very much so. That's what your girl said. She likes when I'm having a hard time. Inside her.
We Zosas would not accept that.
X marks the spot that she was sitting on.
Why? Nah, why?
Zabuba fool, you remember
that? A great show.
Boring sometimes.
Come on, with this boring thing again.
Dumplings.
Every time we do this, we mention dumplings. You know the D word.
Fire! We did it eat?
Good, good. That's.
What? Did it eat?
Yeah, we did. Every time.
Oh my gosh. Yo, this game is hard. I can't concentrate.
Yo, this game is really hard. Like.
You might wonder why do I keep going back to dumplings?
We did this like 4 times, and every time we mention dumplings for me.
for this video. You know, lighting the tree. Rushlin couldn't be here. My hopes that she didn't really disapprove of the tree. I thought that we made it. No, we made it look pretty. It looks good.
Yeah, I think so.
It looks good, especially on camera. Okay.
Especially on camera for real.
So as usual, whenever I'm there around Kavan, I do not talk. I don't do the outro. So he's going to say the whole like, share, comment, subscribe, and close up with a box cover. So
alright guys, so if you like this video, comment down below and let me know. Like this, share this with your friends if you thought it was interesting. Follow Kavan on social media at Kavan. You can check out my YouTube channel, it's going to be in the description box below. But thanks for watching everyone. Bury does. Big up in the cell. Box cover.
Ring ding ding. Wait, what instrument is playing in that song? Is that a guitar? Guitars go ring ding ding.
He was riding a bike.
Oh. Ring ding 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 da. Yo, please do not put it in the vlog.
Yep, that looks inappropriate.
Why am I riding a tree? Come on.
Or it could be a broom, it could be a witch.
Yeah,
or
a
something,
witch.
yeah, like, yeah.
It doesn't have to be
A wizard.
show the look with that away. I never catch you wide away. Look, over see piece away. Yeah, girl, you okay? All right.
Next time. Look at people. Why do you have cum underneath your arms? Why you have cum underneath your arms?